Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on the circle, looking at the circumference, the area of a circle, and different parts of a circle. A special puzzle to warm up the brain cells is on the next slide. The answer will be given at the end. Enjoy. What is the meaning of the following? A very interesting one. I think you might have a chance of getting this. The circle. A circle is a round plane figure whose boundary, called the circumference, consists of points equidistant from a fixed point, which is called the center. So the circle is the curved blue line. There it is there. That's the circle. And the center is here, right in the middle. And that's the center of the circle. As you can see here, that is the center of the circle. And the circle is the blue line. The radius is the distance from the center to the circumference. So from here to here, that distance is called the radius. The diameter passes through the center from one side of the circle to the other. So this red line here is the diameter. And if you look carefully, it's actually twice as long as the radius. A chord is a straight line joining any 2 points on the circumference. So that line there is a chord, and it does not have to go through the center. As long as it joins any 2 points on the circumference, it is a chord. Now here are some interesting parts of a circle that you might use quite often. Firstly, a sector is the area bounded by 2 radii and an arc. See that area there? That's called a sector. There's one radius, and the arc. So that area in there is called a sector. A segment is the area bounded by a chord and an arc. So there's the segment there, that area inside those blue lines there. Now the blue line here is a chord, that's the arc there, and the area inside is called a segment. An arc is a curve between 2 points on the circumference. So here it is here, that red curve there, that's called an arc. Area of a circle. The formula for the area of a circle is A equals pi r squared. For the purposes of calculating the area of a circle, we use approximate values for pi. The most popular values are 3.142 or 22/7. Now they're not exact values, but we are allowed to use them when we are doing calculations. They are good approximations. Here's an example. Find the area of the above circle where r equals 6 centimeters and pi equals 3.142. As stated above, the area for the circle is A equals pi r squared. So substituting in the values, there's pi, the radius is 6, so pi times 6 squared, pi times, now 6 squared is 36, and there is the area of the circle. Here's another example. Find the area of the above circle where r equals 7 and pi equals 22/7. Again, area equals pi r squared. So the area equals 22/7 times 7 squared, which is 22/7 times 49, because 7 squared is 49. And if you work that out, the answer is 154 square centimeters. The circumference of a circle. The circumference of a circle is found by using either of the following. You can use C equals pi d or C equals 2 pi r. Now C is the circumference, d is the diameter, and r is the radius. So here's an example looking at the green circle here. Find the circumference of the above circle with radius 5 centimeters. use pi equals 3.142. So if we use, say, this formula here, because we're given the radius, so we'll use that one. C equals 2 pi r, C equals 2 times 3.142 times 5. Of course, the radius is 5. If you work that out, the circumference is 31.42 centimetres. Another example, looking at the yellow circle, find the circumference of the above circle with diameter 14 centimetres and use pi equals 22 over 7. So C equals pi d, C equals 22 over 7 times 14, because that's the diameter we're given. When you simplify this, the answer is 44 centimetres. Now here is a quick quiz to help with your understanding, and check through the video at any time to help you. What is the meaning of the following? And the answer is neon light. A little bit tricky and a little bit cute, isn't it? I hope you got that out. Here are the answers for the quick quiz, and please check through the video at any time if you need to do so. Of course, all the slides are there to help you. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe on the next slide and you will receive a notification as to when the next video is available. Hope to see you next lesson.